Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to make a candlestick chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Okay, and first is open Google Sheets and create new project, or open your old project and open project. Okay, and category, amount, and click on car. Press Shift your keyboard and click on this and select all category and select all amount. Okay. In left corner, search insert, click on insert and click on chart. Okay, and open new Windows chart editor. Is this now open? Click on this, double click. Okay, open Windows chart editor and click on this, scroll down and search Candlestick. Okay, and this, and click on this. Alright, and you create chart, and subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. And that's all. Bye bye.